Press down into your feet, energize like you're dialing the feet away from each other, and then don't put your hand on anything, okay? So you're kind of in triangle pose. If you need, put your fingers on a block or something, but we could just take the hand out of the way. So by doing this, we're going to really energize, strengthen, and sensitize this lateral line. Hi gang, Denise here, and this is Pose of the Week. Today we're looking at the lateral fascial lines of the body. These are very important main stabilizing lines of the body. So I'm going to give you an experience of it first, and then we'll use it in a couple of yoga postures, okay? So let's just stand in Tadasana. We'll take the arms to the sides and overhead. We're energizing the body as we do. Great toes pointed straight ahead, heels a little bit wider. Energize like you're dialing the feet and knees away from each other. That is going to immediately get you to tap into those lateral fascial lines. That is what you're feeling. Okay, so if you're not feeling that, make sure your feet are not turned out. Make sure you're grounding and you're activating, okay, through thighs and seat. That activates the line. So now we'll challenge that sensation a little bit. Let's bring the arms up. You can lace your fingers. We're not going to worry how straight our elbows are today, though. And as you lace your fingers, you're going to pull the hands apart. Okay, so that's going to help get a little bit more sensation in the side of your trunk. Inhale, let's take it up, and we'll take it over to the side in like a half moon pose. So press it over to the side, push down into your right foot. Feel that all the way down the right side of the body. Keep energizing the right side. So you want not necessarily to get total length. That's not our focus here. We want to actually energize. So you want to move to the side and then energize it like you're trying to pull yourself out of the pose. Okay, one more deep breath there. Then we're going to bring ourselves back to center. Activate that same line. So I'm going to step back with the same foot. Okay, and then we'll go into triangle pose. So you're going to stand with your feet wide apart. Make sure you're energizing like I just did in the previous pose, dialing it out. And now you're going to come up against your lateral line here, okay? That's going to restrict how far you can go down in this pose. A lot of times people slip behind it, and then they get really deep. They go into a hamstring stretch, basically. So I want to recommend that you stay up a little bit higher. Press down into your feet, energize like you're dialing the feet away from each other, and then don't put your hand on anything, okay? So you're kind of in triangle pose. If you need, put your fingers on a block or something, but we could just take the hand out of the way. So by doing this, we're going to really energize, strengthen, and sensitize this lateral line, okay? Because it's in opposition to gravity right now. So just hold that for a moment. And then I want you to take that right hand to the hip, take your block forward, and just go into Arda Chandrasana. Doesn't really matter what level you have your block on, and you could be using your fingers. But what I want you to notice is how this line is really helping you stabilize now, and it's very sensitive. Probably still feel a residual vibration, maybe even a little heat from the previous pose. So let's see if that works on the other side too. Okay, let's come back. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, opposite side now. So we're doing this to sensitize those fascial lines. And this can really help us find a lot better balance in our postures. And it literally makes you more aware of where you are in space and how your alignment is doing and all of that. It really organizes your body. Okay, so that's kind of a simple initial energization. We'll bring it down, step the foot back, move into our very active triangle where our legs are super active. We're not worried about how deep we're going because we're just trying to sensitize and energize this line. Once you develop kind of a system in your body, a habit in your body, you don't have to think about it so much. Okay, and then from here, we'll just take that hand down, shift the body weight forward, send the leg up, and just go into Arda Chandrasana, and it just feels like, wow, I can hold this for a really long time. Because I've prepared my body, I've energized my body, my brain knows where I am in space, and all my limbs are connected now. Okay, so that's one of the real beauties about working with the fascial lines in your body. It helps you make those body-wide connections that we really need for steady yoga postures. All right, so if you're interested in learning more about this kind of thing, that's what my movement template course is all about, and it is now available. So if you want to learn more about that, you can go to deniseyogaco.com/mtonline, or just go to the website and you'll be able to find your way to the course, no problem. And a description and all of that. Please feel free to ask questions, comment below, and I hope you enjoy having these little experiences with me of the fascial lines. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye for now.